TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hello everyone, Basil Chapman on this 24th day of March. My pleasure to be here Wednesday, and we're looking at the Dow 228 to 32,649. This is really good action. It's up 0.70% because yesterday was an ugly day. What did it do? It went right down to that 14-period exponential moving average, but you can see that 9 is still way above the 14. That's still a very big positive. Yes, the MACD is just about to cross negative, but it hasn't. It's right on the line. And stochastic has gone from 80% to 78%. I'm worried about that. And the on-balance volume is pulling back. But so far, this is holding really well. Still a leg D in the weekly chart, leg C in the monthly chart. Let's go to the S&P. This is a little different. So with the Dow up, 0.81%, the S&P is only up 0.39. I shouldn't say only, but it is up 0.38%. You can see this resistance line in the daily chart is kind of a pressure point. It just hasn't been able to break above. It needs to get to 39.56. It's at 39.24 right now. What we are looking at, though, is that it's starting to test and break under the 14-period moving average. That's not a good sign. So all I'm going to say is that by this coming Monday, if the S&P is trading under 3,900, that's going to say, whoa, it's going to be tough to start to break out to the upside, unless there's some kind of a trigger, right? And it's a peak F if there's no new high in the weekly chart. Only a leg B in the monthly. You know, in the Chapman wave, we're always looking for at least a D for higher peaks. Let's go to the QQQ. Was acting very well yesterday, and then all of a sudden it turned around, closed lousy, and today tried to rally. Now it's down $1.17 and 316. This is the NDX 100 trading vehicle. Not a good sign. It's really struggling. So the pattern I was discussing, I'll do it in my show coming up, the Tiger Technicians Hour, in a few minutes. We're going to be talking about the fighting patterns between this arch formation or the up channel. We're going to talk about that because it's so important. If the Qs break under 312, in the next couple of days, that's going to be that arch formation. Look at the IWM. The IWM Russell 2000 trying to garner some strength today. It's up 1.17%, up 236 at 219. Thank goodness it needed that, but really, by Monday or Tuesday of next week, by the end of March, it needs to be back over 224. Gold's trying to rally. Dollar's holding quite well. Crude oil we'll talk about as soon as I get back, plus bonds. Have a great day, but I hope to see you in a couple of minutes from my Tiger Technicians Hour and check out my opening form with